Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix Tesla's squeaking noise. So in order to fix that, we just need to head over and then lubricate the upper ball joint or control arm bushings with grease or WD-40. You can also replace worn components like the upper control arm. So you just need to head over and then see if you can lubricate the ball joint, and if it doesn't work, you can replace it. You can also replace the bushings and consider interjecting grease into the rubber foot. So for the brake squeal, you can also clean up your brake regularly, and if a squealing is due to worn pads or rotors, you can replace them as well. So alternatively, if the squeaking is on the seat on rubbing, wide seats can rub against each other on the center trim, which causes noise. You can slide the seat all the way back in order to eliminate this.